The gambling destroys wealth, and then the alcohol destroys the health. These are two factors which we have: health and the wealth. The alcohol can destroy your health, and the gambling can destroy your wealth. So, in other words, the alcohol can make you physically bankrupt because you will be just like a garbage. Kung lasing ka, parang garbage ka. You are being thrown in the street also. You have no value at all. You will be just like discarded animal, a filthy animal. If you are drunkard, if you are a lasingero, you are just like an animal, nothing more than animal. Parang hayop ka. So the alcohol, the alak, will make you bankrupt physically. Will make you physically bankrupt. You physically are bankrupt with alcoholism. And the gambling can make you financially bankrupt. Because those who are addicted, yung vices of the gambling, they'll never change until they will be bankrupt. Unless if Allah guides them. So the word in Tagalog for the drunkard and the gambler is lasingero, sugilero. Okay, these are the two very bad habits of the people in the Philippines also. And these people are nothing. They can always destroy their family. Sirain nila yung pamilya nila dahil sa ito dalawang vices, lasingero at sugilero. That is going to destroy your life. So that is what Allah said, innamal khamra wal maisar. May kampi sila. Bakit? Dahil yung alak, sinira ng buhay ng tao, physically, yung katawan niya, spiritually. And yung sugal, sinira niya na yung buhay niya ng financially. Okay? He will be going to financially bankrupt.